An effective payments process is crucial for the success of your business. This demands an integrated payments module within the ERP, without which, as an SME manufacturer, you may constantly encounter high dependencies while tracking cash flows, last-minute bank reconciliations, high-time investment on account receivables and payables management. Don't worry, you are not alone. Delayed receivables is an industry-wide problem. In a recent report, Union MSME Minister Narayan Rane also reinforced that all stakeholders, buyers, solution providers, and MSMEs should come together and address this problem of delayed payments. Now, what if you could gain full control of your cash flows? TranZact Payments helps you to automate core payment functions and reduce cross-team dependencies. It empowers you to reduce day sales outstanding up to 20%, save over 30% time, automate account receivables and payables, make bulk payments, smart reminders, and zero reconciliation errors. Worried if it's safe to trust a digital platform with your payment functions? We provide enterprise-level data security in collaboration with RBI-approved payment partners, where infrastructure is backed by trusted Indian banks. With TranZact Payments, you can get paid faster and simplify vendor payments. Eventually, it drives accountability, data-driven decision-making, and helps you to gain competitive advantage as an SME.